Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You are watching Technoblend, and today we are going to talk about the most awaited phone of Xiaomi, which is Note 10 series. Let's start with the video and talk about them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Xiaomi has after all launched its Redmi Note 10 series. The Note 10 series is coming up with three smartphones, which is going to be Note 10, Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max. Let's move ahead and see what are the differences in all three smartphones. Let's start with the video and talk about their performance part. As I say, the performance is the most important part of them all. Let's move ahead and talk about the performance part. Talking about the processor part of all the three smartphones, the Note 10 is coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 of processor, and on the other side the Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max are coming up with Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. I think these are the best processor they have been provided with in this smartphone. So now we are talking about the processor part. It is very important they have provided a very good battery on in all these three smartphones, because it is going to be consumed by the processor if you are using multitasking and using it for heavy usage. Let's move ahead and talk about the battery part of all these three smartphones. Talking about the battery part of all Note 10 series, there is something Redmi has really amazed me with. The Redmi Note 10 is coming up with 5000 mAh of battery, and on the other side the Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max are coming up with 5020 mAh of battery. I really don't understand how much that 20 mAh is going to make a difference, but Redmi has not made any difference in the charger. All the three phones are coming up with 33-volt super fast charger inside the box itself, so you don't have to buy it from outside. Let's move ahead and talk about the display part of this smartphones. Talking about the most awaited part, the display part of all these three smartphones, the Redmi Note 10 series is coming up with Super AMOLED display in all the three smartphones. The Redmi Note 10 is coming up with 6.43-inch of display, which is going to provide you with 60 Hz of refresh rate. And on the other side, the Redmi Note 10 Pro and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max are coming up with 6.67-inch of display, which is going to provide you with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So the gaming and multitasking is going to be super easy for you. Let's move ahead and talk about the camera part of all these three smartphones. Talking about the camera part of all these three smartphones, the Redmi Note 10 series is coming up with quad camera setup. In Redmi Note 10, it is coming up with 48 megapixel of quad camera setup plus 8 megapixel of ultra wide lens plus 2 megapixel of macro lens plus 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And on the other side, the Note 10 Pro is coming up with 64 megapixel of quad camera setup plus 8 megapixel of ultra wide lens plus 5 megapixel of macro lens plus 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Talking about the Note 10 Pro Max, it is coming up with 108 megapixel of a quad camera setup plus 8 megapixel of ultra wide lens plus 5 megapixel of macro lens plus 2 megapixel of depth sensor. And talking about the selfie cameras on all these three smartphones, the Redmi Note 10 is coming up with 13 megapixel of in-display selfie camera, and on the other side the Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max are coming up with 16 megapixel of in-display selfie camera. Let's move ahead and talk about some additional features about this smartphone. Talking Talking about some additional features about these three smartphone, the Note 10 series is going to run on MIUI 12, which is based on Android 11. These three smartphones are both provided with dual stereo speakers with side mounted fingerprint scanner. I was expecting an in-display fingerprint scanner if they have provided a Super AMOLED display, but I think they have done it for the cost cutting purpose. Let's move ahead. The protection provided in this three smartphone, in Note 10 you will get a Corning Gorilla Glass protection. In the Note Pro Max and Note Pro you will get an Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Let's move ahead and talk about the variant provided in these three smartphones. Talking about the variant part about this three smartphone, the Redmi Note 10 is coming up with two variant, which is going to be 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage plus 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. And on the other side, the Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max are coming up with three variants each, which is going to be 6GB RAM and 64GB of storage plus 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage plus 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. These are all the price list of all these three smartphones. Please go through it. I have provided it in the description box as well. Let's move ahead and talk about the colors provided in all these three smartphones. Talking about the color part of all these three smartphones, the Redmi Note 10 comes with frost white, shadow black and aqua green color. And on the other side, the Redmi Note 10 Pro and Note 10 Pro Max comes with vintage bronze, glacial blue and dark night color. This is all about today's video. Please let me know in the comment box what do you think about Redmi Note 10 series. Are you going for it or not? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Technoblend. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else.
You wanna see your blood.